siyang pang gym. Kawawa naman siya. Tada!
Vibes.
Anti-ans yung favorite ko yung ano.
I'll be your home, I'll be your distance, I'll be still, I'll stay quiet. If it's the path of least resistance, I'm sure it's right. And if you're calling from the dark 'cause you can't stand to be alone, are you the voice inside my head? You the ringing on my phone? Am I strong enough to build your castle alone?
Street view. Anong gagawin? Ano rules?
Ano, dalawa bubuksan mo. Pag hindi nag-match, ibabalik mo. Yan.
Pwede ko baba?
Ito na lang. Upi, hindi match. Sobrang random naman ang ano.
One na sa'yo, no? One.
Okay. Ito na. Ano nakita ko na yun? Okay, I will pause it. And then you watch it.
Okay.
Civilization, not just island, and obliterated by extreme cold. Kakatukin na lang. It's raining today. Heading back, I bought kimchi and ramen.
Saging.
Kyokyo saging. Yummy. Gutom na?
Hindi na. Na-excite ako sa
Uuwi na po niyan si Celine sa kanyang NPI. NPI!
I can't forget the words you say. The smile on your face, we drove uptown. Take a break for a holiday.
What is that?
I swore I heard you say, if you come undone, I'll be whoever it want.
Going on a morning walk. Okay. Just try this with milk. Hindi ko pa alam yung lasa. Ang hirap naman buksan. Yun, finally. May matcha. I think I will like it. It smells like matcha. Tolerate ko to, I think. Kesa sa turmeric. Let's try. Oh my gosh. Hindi siya nadudurog. Pero, sige. Kayang i-tolerate. Sabi ay 1 tablespoon. Tama ba? 1 to 2 tablespoon. Pero, sige na nga ito, no? Nakakainis. Araw-araw kailangan kong gawin to. Wala naman akong choice. Kung gusto ko maging healthy, kailangan ko gawin to. Supporting our gut. For the gut store. Charot. Kailangan kong maging healthy yung gut mo kung gusto mong pumunta sa gut store. Yan. Medyo hindi ko ma-explain pero hindi na siya dry. Mas mapula-pula. Yan, castor oil yan. Lucky. Hindi talaga siya na-dissolve. So, good luck.
Are you calling from the dark? 'Cause you can't stand to be alone. I'll be the voice inside your head. I'll be the ringing on your phone. Am I strong enough to build your castle alone?